Okay guys, so we've been doing some airsoft. We got some rifles back and over there, hidden behind stuff like where all the swords are over there. See the handles to do them. So I bought these Daisy BBs saying that they'd be big enough. They're not. They're too small. I require 6mm. This is 4.5. So, since I can't use them for that, but I have these really big poppets. Where'd the fourth one go? Oh, got it down there. Alright. Boxes, 175, no taxes. So I'm going to buy another box of these because that's 20. Just get yourself some of these like Coke bottle caps, the ones without the brim on the inside, or else it won't fit right. And then you get some camo poppers. I know those work. I haven't tried actual poppets yet. I may try those next. But then you just get some of these. Any BBs will work, really. I'm just using these. Here. All you essentially gotta do is stick that thing down there like that, so it hold its place, and you just roll some of these into your hand. And I drop some. Drop them down in there. R&D's up to no good. My girl's really gonna hate me. And you try to fill it up. Then you kind of keep that end that's down there in the corner so that you do get it fit nicely, and just kind of fit as many BBs as you can, because it does work in grass. You just need to have it as heavy as possible, which is why I'm using these. If you get some of those copper ones, that's really gonna freaking blow up. And it seems to have a wider spread in the grass than on concrete, but since I only have 4 of these right now, I'm not going to test this. I will show this off in a video for a actual airsoft fight, but these are cheap to make, and as long as you recover the caps, you don't gotta buy any more. Just need 2 caps. They're flat on the inside. Lay it down, kind of get it as flat as you can. And any tape will work. I mean, I was trying to tack it with super glue and like 2 or 3 spots, but I couldn't get any out. So.
Are you trying to use my super glue?
Yeah, some of the old one, but it's like all dried up into the bottom. So all you gotta do, make sure that's
green top or blue top.
Blue. It's the old one. All you gotta do is make sure it is well put together, because I can assure you, if this thing comes apart while you're running, it may pop in your pocket. And then if you want extra measure, go ahead and shake it, make sure it don't go. And also kind of get the BBs mixed around so they spread more before you throw it. And it's pocket safe.
Oh, that's what that weird feeling is.
Oh, look at what it did to his freaking leg. Crap, yeah, I had Derek test the one out on the concrete. Did not have him test the one in the grass. But man, okay. Maybe not airsoft friendly. You gotta check your bylaws and all that for that stuff, guys. But have fun and don't be careful, or else you're gonna end up like me, guys. But that's it.
Yeah, that's what happens if you hold them in your hand. He held 5 in his hand and squished them. That's what happens to his fingers.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna get our freaking airsoft R&D up to no good. This is just the first step. I'm gonna make bigger grenades that use vinegar and baking soda with that classical like rocket thing, except for it's gonna be like a little hammer that you pull a pin before you smack it down and you throw it, or shake it up, then throw it. I'd prefer just throw it because it'll shake up in midair a bit, and then whenever it lands, it'll shake up. But that'd be a soft body one that. But yeah, and we also got a second rifle, and I would like to make a airsoft fight sometime soon. But I also want to get this guy not looking like dirty old plastic, because this guy right here does not. I just don't like that plasticky look for them. And I also moved the sights up on both of them because I didn't like them being all the way in, like way back here. I didn't like that, so I moved them up to here. Looks better for me for aiming, and oh, nice. These are bolt action single fire. I would like to get 2 more clips extra just so that there's actually use to a harness for more than just grenades, and also for whenever we get into the bigger fights out in the woods, you can reload instead of having to run behind cover and risk everything by reloading like that. I'm also working on a harness right here. I'm just using a strap for that, and it's going to be the part that wraps around the belt that holds the piece. Working on a blueprint down there for the actual case piece case piece itself that'll hold my sidearm, which is actually up there with my helmet. Gas mask, sidearm, and then I got my net over it that I used on a spray paint camo. But it's going to be real fun, guys, so if you want to see more, let me know, give me ideas. I want to make a shotgun that uses the daisies, because I just have so many of those metal BBs, I want to go ahead and use them up. Because I don't like using the plastic ones for other things whenever those are the only ones that my rifles will take, so. But yeah, guys, that's all fun. And I am going to make 2 more helmets. That one's a little big and a little weird, but that's the first ever EvoFoam helmet I made. It works, it's just a little big. And I based it off a German M16 helmet. And it's black, so it kind of goes with my trench coat and my whole black theme, because I just love the color black. If you guys couldn't tell, I like my dark theme. Just me. But the next one I'm going to make is going to be like a camo kind of like this right here. We have a whole slew of crafting stuff up here. But then the third one I'm making is going to be a winter camo helmet, like snow one, for whenever we get into snow fights out in the woods, because those would be nice. But anyways, guys, I know I flipped it around a couple times, and I always start it setting up like this instead of like this, and I'm sorry about that, guys, but that's how I'm used to holding it. I'll try fixing that. But I mean, if you guys are here to learn how to make cheap and effective easy grenades, there you go. And they're even really small, so you can fit several. Just make sure that if you have several in one thing, that they are packed well enough that they don't shake around. Because if they clink, almost anything is slightly hard enough, they're going off. The freaking thing is deafening whenever it does. Because I threw it outside and it was back behind my door, and boom, it deafened my ear for a good minute. Freaking things are great, and I can't wait to use these in an airsoft fight against someone that doesn't even know I'm making these. So yeah, you guys will probably see that video next. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make 3 more if I can, and see you guys later.